Welcome back to EV Horizon. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N, the high-performance electric sedan that's redefining what an EV can be. This isn't just another quick electric car, it's Hyundai's N division taking the sleek Ioniq 6 streamliner and turning it into a track-capable rocket with 641 horsepower on tap. Built on the EGMP platform, it borrows heavily from the acclaimed Ioniq 5N but refines the formula for sharper handling and more engaging dynamics in a lower, more aerodynamic package. If you're chasing thrills without emissions, this could be the one. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The Ioniq 6N's design is aggressive yet elegant, building on the standard Ioniq 6, a slippery silhouette with serious performance upgrades. Up front, it features a bolder, more streamlined fascia with thinner, sharper LED headlights and slim daytime running lights that give it a focused, predatory stare. Larger air intakes feed the brakes and cooling systems, while flared wheel arches accommodate wider tracks and beefy tires for better grip. The body is wider and lower than the regular Ioniq 6, with sculpted side sills and aggressive side skirts emphasizing its planted stance. At the rear, the standout is the large swan neck rear wing that generates significant downforce, over 200 pounds at high speeds, paired with a pronounced diffuser and quad exhaust style outlets for that motorsport vibe. Forged 20-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, red brake calipers peeking through, and exclusive colors like performance blue pearl with pearl accents make it pop. It's not as wild as some concepts, but the overall look screams purpose-built performance while retaining the Ioniq 6's aerodynamic efficiency. Limited production adds to its exclusivity, making it feel special on the road or track. Inside, the Ioniq 6N delivers a driver-focused cockpit that's premium yet purposeful. The seats are bolstered sport buckets with N branding, offering excellent support during hard cornering. Some versions even hint at provisions for 4-point harnesses. Materials mix Alcantara-like suede, leather, and performance-oriented accents in black with bold blue stitching or highlights. The steering wheel is an N-specific 3-spoke design with paddle shifters for the simulated gear changes, plus customizable buttons for drive modes. Dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the driver cluster showing performance data like G-forces, lap times, and power distribution, and the other for infotainment. Run Hyundai's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The center console is bridge-style for better legroom, with physical controls for climate and shortcuts, plus a wireless charger and USB-C ports. Rear seating is comfortable for adults, though headroom is tighter due to the sloping roofline, and cargo space remains practical with a flat floor and decent trunk volume. Safety tech is comprehensive, including advanced driver assists, but the focus here is engagement. Think N Active Sound Plus, pumping synthetic engine noises through speakers for that visceral feel, and adjustable regenerative braking for one-pedal precision. Performance is where the Ioniq 6N truly shines, channeling Hyundai N's motorsport DNA into an electric package. Dual electric motors, one front, one rear, deliver all-wheel drive with 601 horsepower standard and up to 641 horsepower in 10-second N Grin Boost bursts, plus 568 pound-feet of torque for explosive launches. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in around 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 160 miles per hour. The 84 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated 240 miles of range, less than standard Ioniq 6 models due to the performance focus, but fast charging via the NACS port hits 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes at up to 350 kilowatts. What sets it apart is the handling. A fully redesigned suspension with adaptive dampers, revised geometry for better roll control, electronic limited slip differential, and N-drift optimizer for tunable slides. N-E-Shift simulates gear changes with paddle inputs and motor torque interruptions, while N-Active Sound Plus adds immersive audio cues. On the track, it's grippy and precise, with less body roll than the Ioniq 5N thanks to the lower center of gravity and stiffer chassis reinforcements. Road manners remain composed for daily driving, absorbing bumps better than you'd expect from something this sharp. It's engaging, customizable through multiple modes, and genuinely fun, whether carving canyons or lapping circuits. Pricing starts around $69,000 to $75,000 depending on options and destination, positioning it above the Ioniq 5N but competitive against rivals like the Tesla Model 3 Performance or BMW i4 M50. Limited availability means it might qualify for incentives or stand out in the market. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N is a benchmark for electric performance sedans, thrilling, tech-packed, and surprisingly usable. That's the full scoop on this beast. If you're pumped for more EV reviews, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment on what we should cover next. Thanks for watching EV Horizon, keep charging forward.